Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, May 6, 2021. Today, I want to take a look at the likely trend projection for the day. You can see on the Vedic trend indicator chart, this is the 4-minute ES June contract. On the A2 panel, we've been in neutral mode. We're going to a ruling period, then we go back to neutral, and then we hit the bearish zone. On the B1, we came out of this bearish window here, and now we're in a bullish mode, so we should be in an upward bias area until about the time of the B1 switch here, about 9:30, 9:40. This ruling period here, the blue area on A2, that's going to be more bullish influence since we're in tandem with the B1 bull. So this bias should be upward till about 9:30, and then we have a downward bias and a little bit of a cross current here coming in at 1:30. Let's move over to the Astro Excel and see what that shows. Okay, here's the Astro Excel sheet on a 10-minute ES chart. Zooms in a little bit. This week it's been following the blue line more so than the green line, and the blue line's given some good pivot indication. We've got a little bit of you see, we've got both lines are in tandem here, giving us this push down. Now we're going to come into this cross current similar to the Vedic, where the green line's going to be bullish until 10 o'clock. Remember, the Vedic chart went bearish about 9:30, 9:40. And then we're kind of flatlining on the green line now. So we're in this period where the green line is just hugging the zero line. So we don't really have much trend indication on that. The blue line is going to give us some decent pivot points. So be looking for these to be effective today. We've got the one around a little bit after 10. Then we've got around 12:30. That one's kind of a flat top. And then we've got another one at 2:50 to 3 o'clock. So yeah, up in the morning, downward pressure starting around 9:30, 10 into the afternoon. Cross current then about 2 o'clock. Watch the blue line pivots, the pH and the rainbow for your triggers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again on Friday.